Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.4, Problem 24. This is Section 2.4, Problem 24. It says find the product of 3/7 and 4 2/3. So when a word problem uses the term product, what it means is multiply. Product is multiply. So I want to multiply 3/7 times 4 2/3. Now, when I multiply fractions, I want to multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, which is fine for the first fraction. But the second one has more than just a numerator and denominator, or top and bottom. It has that whole number of 4 in front of the fraction portion. So I have to convert that 4 2/3 into a form that has only a numerator and a denominator, not a mixed number. So the 3/7 can stay, but I will convert that 4 2/3. So coming up from the denominator times the whole number in front, I must multiply. So that will be multiplying 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. Then I take that result of 12 and I add it to the numerator. So I'll be adding 12 plus 2 more. 12 plus 2 more is 14. That's the new numerator. So I have 14 over 3. Now I have two fractions with only a numerator and a denominator, so I can multiply across the numerators and across the denominators. Now this is typically a good point to check to see if you can pre-reduce the problem. And if you can, it'll make it a little bit easier. And this one does pre-reduce pretty nicely. Notice I have 3 in a numerator, 3 in a denominator. They don't have to be right over and under each other. As long as one is in the numerator and one is in the denominator, these cancel. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 3 once. Now the remaining numbers, 7 and 14, also reduce nicely. 7 goes into 7 once, 7 goes into 14 twice. So the numerators are just leaving me 1 times 2, which is 2. The denominator is 1 times 1, which is 1. And then 2 over 1, I can just simply write as 2. So the final answer in its reduced form is 2.